I'm Larissa Dunphy, Family and Consumer Science Educator in Belmont County for Ohio State University Extension. And today we're going to be doing our first how-to video, and we are going to be learning laundry basics. And my 16-year-old daughter, Lydia, is going to be helping us out today.
Step 1. Sorting your clothes. Sorting your laundry is an important step in the laundry process. It helps ensure clean results wash after wash. Separate your clothes into piles of like colors and soil amounts. Consider fabric types and follow the fabric care labels on your clothes. Check pockets and remove any items. Set aside items to be hand washed or dry cleaned. Pre-treat any stains prior to washing. Sorting laundry into loads of similar clothes and washing them together helps keep them looking new longer. The Fabric Care Symbols Guide shown here can be helpful when sorting laundry. Step 2. Getting to know your washing machine.
All right, here we are in our laundry area, and this is my washing machine. So it has plenty of different settings on it, and you just kind of pick which setting would work best with your clothes.
Hot water is the best choice for heavily soiled items and kills more germs than colder water. Warm water is best for lightly soiled clothing and typically safe for most colored items. Cold water is the best choice for delicate fabrics. Adding liquid chlorine bleach kills most germs, but is only safe for white clothes.
You can pick the water temperature, and so usually I only pick warm or hot for towels, but for everything else I just do cool, lights or darks or just even colds, just because that doesn't take as hot a temperature, and if we use hot water on our darks, then that tends to make the fabric fade faster. So
there are a variety of detergents to choose from. Liquids are effective on food, greasy, and oily soils and good for pre-treating spots and stains. Powders are effective on lifting out clay and ground and dirt. They're ideal for children's play clothes. Ultra detergents. Most liquid and powder detergents are now concentrated, and combination detergents offer built-in fabric softener and or color-safe bleach.
I do have a high energy efficient washer, so you want to make sure that when you're buying laundry detergent that it actually has the HE tag on it too. Okay, so we're just going to load up the washer with all of our dirty laundry here.
Remember to add your preferred laundry detergent following your machine guidelines.
The only other thing that I wanted to mention is there are these bags. So if you have different items that are delicate, you might want to slide in here, and this helps to protect them a little bit. And then you can just throw this on into the washing machine. Okay, so the last thing we do is we hit start.
Step 3. Loading the dryer.
So our clothes are now completely washed. So we're just going to throw them over into the dryer. And just a little bit about that. I wanted to make sure and let you know if there's anything that's delicate that you don't want to run through the dryer, to go ahead and grab it now, and then you can hang it up or lay it out to dry. And
shake damp clothes to loosen them before placing them in the dryer.
You want to make sure that you check your dryer vent every time, clean anything that's in there, and then dispose of it. And I like to put in a dryer sheet. So
dryer sheets help decrease static cling, make clothes softer and fluffier, and reduces drying time and wrinkles.
You probably have different dry temperatures, so I just leave mine on medium or high. We have a lot of cottons in this load, so I'll turn it up set your timer, or mine has an auto sensing, so that saves on energy. So that's what I'm going to use. And then just press the button and the timer will go off. And then you just have to fold your laundry.
Step 4, folding the laundry. It is important to remove your clothes from the dryer as soon as the cycle ends. Leaving them in the dryer will create wrinkles. Hang them up or fold them promptly for best results.